In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom AI Companion so you can work smarter, save time, and get more out of your meetings without extra effort. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find it, how to use it, and how to get the best possible results. First, head over to your Zoom dashboard. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand side where you'll see a list of options. From there, click on AI Companion. This is where Zoom brings together all of its AI-powered features, helping you manage meetings, summaries, and notes in one place. Once you open it, you'll land on a page with the text prompt area that works like a chat box. This is where you interact directly with the AI. Right below that, you'll also notice a set of suggested prompts. These are really helpful, especially if you're just getting started, because they show you exactly what the AI can do. For example, you can use it to create post-meeting follow-ups. This is perfect if you want to quickly generate action items or send a summary to your team after a call. You can also summarize your meetings, which helps you quickly understand key points, decisions, and next steps without going through long recordings. Another useful feature is generating reports. Instead of manually organizing notes, you can ask the AI to turn your meeting content into a structured report. You can also summarize documents, which is great if you're dealing with long files and just want the important highlights. To get started, you can either click one of the suggested prompts or type your own. If you're typing your own prompt, try to be as clear and specific as possible. For example, you could say, summarize today's meeting and list action items, or create a short report with key decisions and deadlines. If you're working with multiple meetings, you can ask something like, summarize all my meetings today and highlight urgent tasks. And if you're working with documents, you can request a structured summary with sections like purpose, key points, and risks. Now, here are a few quick tips to get even better results. Try including details like the meeting name or date so the AI knows exactly what to focus on. You can also specify the tone, whether you want something formal, casual, or very concise. And don't forget, you can ask for a specific format like bullet points, a checklist, or a short paragraph. If the result isn't exactly what you want, don't worry, just refine your prompt. You can ask the AI to shorten it, expand it, or reorganize the information. The more you tweak your instructions, the better your results will become. So overall, using Zoom AI Companion is all about opening the tool, entering a clear prompt, and refining the output until it matches your needs. Once you get used to it, it can save you a lot of time and make your workflow much more efficient. And that's it. You now know how to use Zoom AI Companion. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.